Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In the previous class, we talked about affiliate and CPA marketplaces, meaning how you can find different affiliate and CPA networks. I showed you the OfferVault website and discussed its interface so you can explore many networks from there. However, before you start working on any marketplace, you must research the marketplace properly. Through this research, you will be able to confirm whether the network you plan to work with is truly good, reliable, and trusted. There are many ways to research a marketplace, but today I will show you the exact method I personally use to research any network. First, let's go to OfferVault. Then we move to affiliate networks. Here, all of these are affiliate marketplaces. Now, suppose we want to work with the 𝐒𝐻𝐿 marketplace. So first we will research this marketplace, and after that we will research one more marketplace. Okay, first we will visit a website called Affpaying.com. This is a site where people post reviews about different affiliate and CPA networks. We will check these reviews first to understand whether the network actually pays marketer or not. Here you can see all categories, search box, reviews, offers, news, resources, and blog. If we click on offers, it will take us to appplus.com. Applus is similar to OfferVault, but here you will find only CPA offers. As you can see, all of these are CPA offers only. Let's come back to Affpaying. Here you will see two main options: all categories and search box. Since we want to research max bounty, we can simply type max bounty in the search box and we will find it instantly. As you can see, max bounty has appeared. If we click on more, we will get all the information about max bounty. Another way is to go to all categories. Here, many networks will appear. From this list, we have to scroll down and find max bounty manually. Here it is, max bounty. So this is another way to look at your targeted marketplace. Here's something important to notice. On this page, there are 40 marketplaces shown, and there are 98 pages in total. So just imagine how many networks you can find here. I hope you understand this. Now let's click on max bounty. Here you can see a lot of information about max bounty. For example, how many offers are currently available on max bounty. Here you will find CPL, CPA, and CPS type offers. I have already discussed what these offer types mean in my previous classes. Next, notice the payment rules. You cannot withdraw until your commission reaches $100. They make payments every week and every 15 days. They use different payment methods such as check, PayPal, wire, Payoneer, and direct deposit. Here you can also see referral commission 5% for 12 months. This means if someone signs up for max bounty using your referral link, you will get 5% of their earnings for the first 12 months. They also show which tracking software and tracking links they use. Below that, you can see some offers, and if you click on see more, it will take you to applus.com. There are 3 more options: all reviews, payment proofs, and questions. Notice here, there are 381 reviews. These reviews are from marketers like you and me. They first used max bounty and then shared their experience. So, if we check these reviews carefully, we can get a good idea about max bounty. Here, you can see many reviews, and most of them are 5-star reviews, which means this is a very good marketplace. It's not possible to rate all reviews in this video as it would make the video too long. But you should definitely check the reviews carefully. This will give you a clear idea about the marketplace. If we click on payment proof, we will see screenshots of different payments. Let's check a few payment screenshots. Here is one screenshot showing that this amount of money was paid. Here is another screenshot showing a different payment amount. And here is another screenshot showing another payment. So from these screenshots, we get a positive signal that this is a good and trusted network. No matter which marketplace you are researching, you should always come to Affpaying and check it in this way. This will give you a much better idea about any network. Okay, I have shown many things here, but mainly we check only two important points. Number one, network information. From this section, we get the basic info of the network. Number two, reviews and payment proofs. From here, we can understand whether the network is trusted or not. I hope this is clear. Now, we will go to another website and research Max Bounty even more deeply. So, let's go to archive.org. This is a website where you can find the whole history of any website. Let me explain with an example. Suppose a website was launched in the year 2000, another website was launched in 2015. The website launched in 2000 was originally a travel blog. After 5 years, it became a showroom website. After 10 years, it turned into an e-commerce website. And only 2 years ago, it became an affiliate or CPA marketplace. So, from these movements and changes, we can clearly understand that this is not a trusted CPA network. On the other hand, if a network was launched in 2015 and from the very beginning it has been an affiliate marketplace, then that clearly means it's a trusted network. We get this entire website history from archive.org. I hope you understood this part. So let's go to Max Bounty website, copy the URL and paste it here. Here you can see several menu options: calendar, collections, changes, summary, sitemap, and URLs. From these sections, you can check a lot of information. But today, we will only talk about the calendar section. Notice this line, saved 79,255 times between February 8, 2004 and October 5, 2025. This means that from February 8, 2004 to October 5, 2025, a total of 79,255 snapshots of this website have been saved here. Let's check this live. We go to the year 2004 and view the snapshots of February 8. This was the condition of the website on February 8, 2004. Here you can see affiliate sign up and merchant sign up. This means that even in the beginning, Max Bounty was an affiliate marketplace. Next, let's check the year 2008. Here, January 3. This was the condition of the website on January 3, 2008. Here, you can see the text, Max Bounty is for affiliates. This means it was still an affiliate marketplace at that time. Now, let's check 2018. Here, January 1st. This was the Max Bounty's website on January 1st, 2018. Here, you can see become an affiliate and become an advertiser. This means that even during this time, it was an affiliate marketplace. After that, let's move to 2025. We check September 25. This was the condition of the website on September 25, 2025. So, we understand that Max Bounty has been working as an affiliate network from 2004 till now. Also, after checking reviews on Affpaying, I show that there are many positive reviews. So, we can consider it a trusted and good affiliate marketplace where we can work. This is how you should check every marketplace before starting work. Now, let's research one more marketplace. Let's go to OfferVault and select a network from here. Let's research this network named 𝐒𝐤𝐬 network. Here you can see only 3 offers. This is very low. We will not work with any network that has so few offers. However, just for demonstration, I will research this one. Let's go to Affpaying, search by typing 𝐒𝐤𝐬 network. Here you can see quite a few pages of information about the network. Let's scroll down. So sad. There is not even a single review here. Since there is not even one review, we can assume that this is not a popular network. Now, let's check the history. First, let's go to the official website of 𝐁𝐬 network. This is the current condition of the 𝐁𝐬 network website. Here you can see the affiliate contact. That means this is an affiliate network. So, copy the link, paste it into archive. Here, the full history has appeared. So, first let's go to 2010. Here, December 31st. In the beginning, the website looked like this, and there was no affiliate option. Next, let's go to 2013. Here, July 20. Even in 2013, the website looked the same. No changes and no affiliate option anywhere. Next, let's go to 2022. Here, January 3. This was the condition at that time. Most likely, there was a connection error between the domain and hosting, meaning the website was not active. So, from here, what we understand is, from 2010 to 2014, the website remained the same and had no affiliate option. In 2022, there was an internal problem. Finally, in 2025, the website has come to this condition, and they have launched an affiliate program, meaning this is a new marketplace. We did not find any information on whether they are actually paying or not. So, we will not work in this kind of confusion. We will only work with a network when we know everything about it and we are sure. This is something I have repeated many times and I will repeat again. Before working with any marketplace, you must research it properly. This way, there is no chance of getting scammed. I hope you don't have any confusion about today's lesson. But whatever topics I discussed and will discuss in the future, you must practice all of them. I hope you understood everything. I'm ending today's class here. See you in the next class. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay connected with FTX by subscribing. Thank you so much. Have a great day.